Sometimes life is hard, but it's harder when your loved one face health problems. Mr. Beckley, who I share a relationship over 20 years and suffer from Parkinson's disease over 18 years. As a partner, I feel totally lost, frustrated, and useless sometimes because I like to support him. I like to see him enjoy his life. As a partner, I would like to do more, and I never lose hope. Thailand, where I come from, my motherland, has appeared to me as place of choice. Our journey starts here at Bangkok Hospital. Once arrived, feeling peace of mind with airport pickup service by fully equipped ambulance and medical team. Comfort could be instantly felt at Bangkok Hospital airport counter right up on arrival. Ambulance pick up to the doorstep of Bangkok Hospital. Surrounding atmospheres at healing environment beside medical care, comprehensive assessment under one roof in one single appointment, from top to toes, in our case, from brain to hip scans. Brain health screening with brain scan using CT scan and a big panels of blood tests conducted by expert neurologists from Oxford University, feeling at ease with UK standards of practice to assess brain health and function alongside current health status, guiding appropriate treatment and rehabilitation plan for caretakers. Hip and mobility assessment performed by expert orthopedic surgeons specialized in hip and knee from Anderson Clinic, USA and University of Western Ontario, Canada. A multidisciplinary approach from holistic healthcare planning, ensuring 360-degree patient-centric care. Waiting zone OPD elite and butler lounge served with a high degree of comfort, never feel like hospital visit. Personal nurse and butler service throughout hospital visit. All medical assessments have been performed with results obtained within 1 day. Treatment plan had been co-designed by multidisciplinary team, taking patient quality of life and preference into consideration. Attentive and caring approach served with Thai hospitality, an exceptional environment set Bangkok Hospital apart from the others. At the end of our journey, medical report and treatment plan can be shared with Mr. Beckley consultant back in the UK. Bangkok Hospital is certainly the right choice when overseas care is required.